Handyspray FC. Super Stucco. Ready mix stucco filler for interior use. High coverage, excellent whiteness. Does not flake off, sandable finish. Tool required. Scrapper. Scrapper 60 centimeters. Putty scrapper. Brush. Hand sander. Step 1. Ensure dust, dirt, and farm matter are brushed away. Step 2. Transfer Handyspray FC material into an empty pail. Mix until achieve a uniform consistency. Step 3. Apply first coat in a thin, even layer with a scrapper. Allow to dry for 4 to 5 hours. Step 4. Apply the second coat, maximum 1 millimeter, using a scrapper. Allow to dry for 4 to 5 hours. Step 5. Slightly sand to smooth the surface.